Hey guys, lesson 14 today. Let's talk about complex sentences. We've learned about simple sentences, compound sentences, and now it's time for complex. So when we have a dependent clause, it has to be joined with an independent clause in order for it to make sense. And when we have a sentence that's made up of an independent clause and a dependent clause, that is called a complex sentence. Remember that your dependent clauses often begin with subordinating conjunctions such as although, because, if, as, or when. And although I love Halloween, Christmas is my favorite holiday. Here's your subordinating conjunction. Here's your dependent clause. Christmas is my favorite holiday. That's your independent clause. And so when we join those two together, we have what's called a complex sentence. It doesn't matter the order. We could have the dependent clause first, such as in this sentence, or we could put the independent clause first. Christmas is my favorite holiday, although I love Halloween. So here we have two examples. One is a complex sentence, which is made up of an independent and a dependent clause, and one is a compound sentence, which is made up of two independent clauses joined with a comma and a coordinating conjunction. So which is which? Which one is compound? And which one is complex? We went to the pumpkin patch and I selected the perfect pumpkin. We have two independent clauses. We went to the pumpkin patch, comma, and a coordinated conjunction. I selected the perfect pumpkin. That makes this a compound sentence. When I carved the pumpkin, here's your subordinating conjunction and your dependent clause. I cut my pinky finger very badly. That's true. So this is going to be your complex sentence. Did you get them?